My name is Kabir. For a long time, my mind was easily affected by everything around me. If someone said something negative, it stayed in my head for hours. If I saw bad news, my mood changed. If people criticized me, I lost confidence quickly. It felt like my mind had no protection. Every small thing affected me. One day, I was traveling in a crowded bus. There was a lot of noise. People were talking loudly. Phones were ringing. Some were arguing. It felt uncomfortable. But then I noticed something interesting. A man was sitting calmly near the window. He had headphones on. He was listening to something quietly. Even though the bus was noisy, he looked peaceful. That moment made me think. The noise was still there, but he chose what to focus on. That evening, I reflected on my own life. Maybe my problem was not the world. Maybe my problem was what I allowed into my mind. The next day, I decided to make small changes. I reduced negative content. I avoided unnecessary arguments. I chose what I listened to. I also started something new. Whenever negative thoughts came, I did not hold them. I let them pass, like clouds in the sky. At first, it felt difficult. My mind still reacted quickly. But slowly, I became stronger. I realized something powerful. You cannot control everything around you, but you can control your focus. When you protect your mind, you protect your peace. Now, when I hear negativity, I stay calm. When I face criticism, I learn. But I do not overthink, because I understand something clearly. Mental strength is not about avoiding noise. It is about staying calm within the noise. Final thought. The world will always be noisy, but your mind can stay calm if you choose wisely. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep protecting your mind. And always remember, a strong mind stays calm even in a noisy world.